This is a DCG426 die grinder powered by a 20-volt battery. I've had this tool for a little over a year now, and I absolutely love it. I think this is so much better than pneumatic die grinders. One, because my pneumatic die grinder broke and I don't have a great air compressor to run it a lot. But two, this is battery-powered cordless, and it's so easy to use. I have gotten a lot of use out of this tool in the short time that I've had it. It's pretty typical as far as die grinders go. It's just not a pneumatic kind of right angle one like that. It's kind of a two-handed process. You can see there is a safety for the trigger. I can't just pull the trigger. I have to push down on it. But it works good. It's got the built-in light. I mean, that's great for where you're trying to grind and get into. Fairly standard straight shaft and everything. It does have some different speed settings. Maybe you can't see that too well, but 10,000, 17,500, and 25,000. I think I always just use it on the highest speed. In terms of weight, you know, it's not too bad. It doesn't weigh too much. The battery down here, I've got this bigger battery on it. That's actually the worst bit of the weight with it. Otherwise, when you're using this, it's a two-handed action, so you don't notice the weight too much. Now, what I don't like about it, well, it's linear and long. So if I'm ever in a situation where I've got something tight, this becomes a problem. So if you've got lots of room to work, you're up on your workbench, it's fine, but it's long. It's a big, long tool, and there's just places where you can't fit it in and do something with it. Now, DeWALT is coming out with a right angle die grinder that I'm looking forward to trying and using. DeWALT, if you see this video, sponsor me. But otherwise, we're stuck with this for now until that new product is released. So I like this tool. I get a lot of use out of it. I love the fact that it's battery powered instead of pneumatic. If you're thinking you might have a use for it, I recommend you pick it up, see if you can find it on sale, and keep it around in your toolbox. Alrighty, if you found this interesting, if you found this helpful, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. That'll help the algorithm connect up videos with people that want to see them. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a nice day.